I am so excited to share that the shower has been installed. It's complete. It's actually ready to use. Down in this area, I am having a custom stair built that will fit in. I asked the contractor to leave a void in there for that. He didn't have time to be able to work on that. It was great that he was able to be here all day yesterday to get the walls installed, the new um, paneling installed, and it's just so nice. He even got this covered, and there's my new shower head and sprayer. I even have a safety bar installed, which is great. And I assembled this yesterday, and while he was working on a couple of other things for me, I was able to get this in here. This is great. I'm looking forward to being able to use it, but I wanted to post this with nothing on it. And I posted earlier that medicine cabinet had been installed, which is really, really great. There are a couple of safety handles that will go here and here for me to hold on to get in and out. And it's just absolutely stunning. Absolutely excited. And the only thing that's left is the shower rod, the curtain rod, that is. And they do have a neo angle rod that's going to go in here. I've placed my order for it. It should be here in a couple of days. It's something that even I could probably install carefully, of course. I already have the curtain for this area. And so now I have my shower. There's some trim work that needs to be done here, but that's okay. And then there's the medicine cabinet again. I have started putting things into it, daily needs that I have to have immediately. And there were a couple items I put up here so that I could, make sure everything is going to fit. Was able to adjust that. This is a very good product. This is my third one. I put one in my daughter's house when she moved in it. Put one after that. I loved it so much. I put it in my house. But when I sold the house, of course, I had to leave it. But I have definitely got a nice bathroom going on here. Some finishing touches. But I just thought I couldn't wait to share that I now have a shower that I can step into. There is a step there that can come out, but it needs to be a little bit wider and a little bit deeper. And so there is going to be a custom step there that can be stored underneath it and be pulled out when I need it. So I have the floor space readily available during other times. Isn't this great? I hope you guys will give me a good thumbs up on this because this was a long time coming. And there's more to come after this. Y'all come back now, you hear?